listen, I wanted to clarify this truth once for all. See, we have a Panchabhutas: earth, water, fire, air, and space. In earth and water, the grass elements, the earth and water, the grass elements are responsible for our health. Inside our body, the earth element and water element is responsible for physical health. Then, fire and air. Inside our body, the fire and air is responsible for our mental health. Understand? The space element which is inside us, that is where all our memories are stored. Thoughts are recorded and stored in our space element. The house we live is also a space occupied in the house. Please understand. Like in a pot, the space occupied inside that pot is called Katakasha. The space covered inside the pot. Same way, the space covered by the house is called Katakasha. Knowingly or unknowingly, consciously or unconsciously, the constant negative thoughts and lack of integrity, inauthentic ideas, thoughts you carry in your house, you release in that Akasha, gets recorded there and stays there. So whenever you come back to the house, you catch that same sickness. Understand? That is why people are many times afraid to enter their own house. Because the moment they enter, oh God, it is like as if some old pattern is covering them like layer. They just want to get out of their house as early as possible. Because the Kata Akasha is completely corrupt, impure. With all your fights and memories and what not. When the Kata Akasha is completely impure, whenever you go back, that impure blanket just covers you. Understand? The mind you carry is Chitta Akasha. The house you have is Kata Akasha. If the Chitta Akasha is impure, this impurity gets stored in Kata Akasha, and that makes you more impure. It becomes like a vicious circle. You put your impurity on your house, and that house puts you in more impurity. It is like a pig makes the place dirty, and dirt makes the pig more dirty. And pig and dirty, it becomes pig pen. Pig makes the place dirty first, and the dirty place makes the pig more dirty, and the more dirty pig makes the place more dirty, and more dirty place makes the pig more and more dirty, and more dirty pig makes the place more and more dirty. This is the vicious circle. How to break it? Somewhere you have to break. Two ways you can break. One, your Chitakasha. Bring that to an enlightened master who is Mahakasha. Understand? Mahakasha means the pure space. complete completion. Please listen. Master is Mahakasha. If you bring your Chitakasha, means your inner space, and have one initiation, what happens in your Chitakasha, you know that. Understand? Cleaning up your Chitakasha. This is one way you can break that vicious cycle. Sometime, even if you clean up your Chitakasha, the moment you enter into your Katakasha house, the blanket is so thick, it just envelops you. You are back to square one. So making the Mahakasha enter into your Katakasha itself means literally giving energy darshan to your whole house. Blasting. Breaking the vicious circle, that vicious cycle from both sides. Clean up the Katakasha and clean up the Chidakasha at a time. And start the new possibility. You be in high energy, so the house stores the high energy, and that high energy makes you more high. The more high, you release more high energy. The more high energy makes you more and more high. The more and more high makes the house more and more high. Breaking the vicious cycle and putting you into the virtuous cycle is what is house visit or receiving the Pada Puja in that space. So be very clear. Breaking this vicious cycle of impurity in Chitakasha impacting the Katakasha from both sides is the purpose, context, reason why an enlightened being, an incarnation is brought to the house. I bless you all. Let you all radiate with integrity, authenticity, responsibility, enriching and causing eternal bliss. Nityananda. Thank you.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.